Good morning, students. So today I will deal with computer 8 class. In a previous class we learned insert table some of the groups. So I will recall all the commands once again. First group is pages, which consisting of cover page. It is nothing but the first page of your textbook or any reference book if you want to already created. And if I want to give a beautiful page, first page for the book, on that time you click on cover page. Next one is if you want to insert a blank page. For example, if your if your file consisting of 5 pages and in between third and fourth page if I want to insert blank page, then just click on blank page. It will insert a new page in between third and fourth. Page break option is used, which breaks the page and moves the text to the next page. Next group is table consisting of 5 commands. Insert table, where we can insert the table by inputting number of rows and columns. Draw table, so as the name itself indicates, when we click on draw table option, automatically your arrow mark changes to pencil and we can easily draw lines like rows, columns, etc. Next one is convert text to table. So it is in a de-highlighted way. It is not in a highlighted way because convert text to table. So to apply this option, first we have to write the text, then only automatically it will get active. Fourth command is Excel spreadsheet. MS Office consists of many applications. The first one is MS Word, second one is MS Excel. In MS Word, if I want to open a Excel sheet, on that time you just click on Excel spreadsheet. Next one is quick tables. So if I want to give a different colors or different headings for already existing table, on that time you just click on quick table option. Or if you want to insert today's any one calendar, or here different built-in tables are available. So if I want such type of tables, by default on that time you go for quick tables option. Third group is illustrations. Illustration consisting of all the pictures. So first one is picture, clip art, shapes, smart art and chart. All the options are used to insert the pics. But the difference is that if I want to insert the pictures from secondary storage devices like pen drive, hard disk, then CD-ROM, or magnetic disks, or any chips, what you are normally you are using SD cards. If I want to insert the pictures from secondary storage devices, you go for pictures option. Second one is clip art. So clip arts are used to insert the pictures from MS Office collections. Microsoft Office provides some of the pictures. If I want to insert the pictures from the office, on that time you go for clip art option. Next one is shapes. So for shapes, drop down button is there. Just click on drop down button and select any one of the shapes. When we select the shape, automatically your arrow mark changes to pencil and we can draw such image or such shape on the text area. Next one is smart art. Smart art option is used to insert the smart arts like list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid. So all those things. So here used to show non-sequential or grouped blocks of information. If I want to show any one cycle, for example, if I want to display butterfly life cycle, on that time you go for cycles option. Or hierarchy options are there. So hierarchy option if I selected, so you can insert this type of images there. First one is directors, then you can insert the general manager. Next you can insert the different staffs. If I want to insert such type of things, you go for smart art option. And next one is chart art. So charts are used to insert the charts. It is used to uh, display the numerical data in pictures. Next one is links group. Links consisting of three commands: hyperlink, bookmark, and cross reference. Hyperlink option is used to link any word or any alphabet to any one file. Means if I have clicked any one of the word, automatically it links to that particular file. Next one is bookmark. As the name itself indicates, here we have to mark the book. For example, I have purchased new book, or after reading 80th page of that book, I will put a small mark by inserting one small page. Same way, in MS Word, if you read some on 40 pages, and if I want to mark one image at on the 40th page, on that time you go for bookmark option. Next one is a cross reference. Cross references are used to refer the items such as heading, figures, and table. By inserting cross reference, it will automatically update the contents to move another location. By default, cross references are inserted as hyperlinks. Means we can insert any number of cross references in the bookmark. Next, the important thing is header and footer. So header and footer consisting of three commands: header, footer, and page number. Header is nothing but a heading is not header is not a heading. Header is a text area which appears top of all pages, and footer is a text area which appears bottom of all pages. It is not a heading. So when we click on header drop down button, different options are there. So whichever you want, you can select. I have selected here blank type text. If I select this option, see a type text is available. Here you can insert the text. I will insert MES College of Commerce. So this text is available for all the pages. If your file consisting of 100 pages, and if I want to display MES College of Commerce for all the pages, on that time you just click on header and footer option. So automatically, so header is available to all the pages, and when we click on header or footer option, a new tab will get active, design tab, and this one is called as header and footer toolbar option. Here again different options are there: header and footer, header, footer, and page number. Next, if I want to insert today's date and time, you go for date and time option. Next one is quick parts. Here different documentary properties are there. If I want to insert a author name, if you are written one book, and if I want to insert a author name for all the pages, on the time you just click on author. And if I want to display a company address for all the pages, you go for company address. Then you can insert company mail, you can insert status, you can insert published date, all those things. So this is nothing but the documentary property, so it is related to the documents. Same way, different options are there: field you can insert, you can insert building block organizers, all those things. And again, already we learned in insert, that is pictures and clip part, it is available in illustrations, as well as when we click on header and footer option, so these options are again available. So picture option is used to insert the pictures from secondary storage devices. Clip arts are option Clip art option is used to insert the pages, insert the clips or pictures from MS Office collection. Next one is navigation. Here again different options are available: go to header and go to footer. So I am in header, and if I want to move the text to the footer, just click on go to footer option. Here footer option is available. Now I will insert the page number here, bottom of the page. So I will insert 1. So here footer is available, and if I want to move the take cursor to the header, go to header area. When you move the cursor to header, on that time header will deactive and footer will be active. And if I click on footer option, footer will be deactive and header will be active. Then previous section and next section, when we break the pages, On that time we can use the section options. Next one is option is available different first page, different odd and even pages, show document title. Say this is a document title, and if I want to de-highlight this one, just click on this option, document, show document text. It is nothing but I will insert some of the text here. Now I will double click on this header and show document text. It will by default the text will be deselected, and if I again click here, automatically that text will appear. Then a different first page, so it is the important one. So header means if you insert any one text, it comes for all the pages. And if I want to differentiate first page, I don't want MES College of Commerce for first page. If I want different title, on that time you go for different first page. Here, if I selected this one, first page header will be different and other pages having same uh, texts. Then different odd and even pages. So as the name itself indicates, so here for odd pages it will display one header and footer, and even pages it will display one header and footer. Next option is position. Here header from top, footer from bottom. So how much width I want for header and how much width I want for footer, you can select here. You can increase or you can decrease it here. See, you can easily view it. Then insert alignment tab, with the help of that one we can easily align. If I want this one at the middle, or if I want on the right side, you go for alignment tab. And if I want to close this header and footer toolbar, on that time just click on header and footer toolbar. This is about the header and footer. Next one is text. It consisting of again 7 options. So I will delete these things. Here text, the first option is text box. If I want to insert a box, and in that box if I want to return one text, you go for text box option. Just click on text box option, and here different options are available. Select any one of the thing. So I will use alphabet code here. This type of option is available. Here you can insert any text. So text box, as the name itself indicates, it is a box where we can insert the text. Next one is quick parts. Already we learned in header and footer. So first one is document property. Here I can insert author name, we can insert comments, we can insert publish date, status, subject, company name, company mail. All those things we can directly insert. Next one is word art. So word art is purely different from clip art. Clip art is related to the pictures and word art related to the words. So if I want to insert the artistic word, on that time you go for word art option. Just click on word art drop down button. It opens a word art gallery. This is called as gallery. Here select any one of the word art. It opens edit word art text box. Here your text here is there. Here you can insert any one of the text. So I will insert the text as Naman, and you can change the font name, you can change the size, and you can apply bold or italic. So just click on OK option. Then you can drag it and you can easily view it. Here again format tab is available. When we click over this word, so format tab will get active. When we click on outside, it will be deactive. Again, I will click, it will get active. First option is here, edit text. It is nothing but here art remains the same. We can change the word. Instead of Naman, if I want to make it as Aman, on that time you just click on edit and just remove N. Or you can insert new name also. Here art remains same here, Aman. Then spacing option is there. Here very tight, tight, normal, loose, very loose. If I click on very tight, it comes very tight. And if I want tight this way or very loose, here the space between two alphabets will be very much high. And if I want normal, you go for normal option. Then next one is even height. Here all the alphabets will be in the same height. Then word word art vertical text. If I click here, it will display the text in a vertical way. If I want again horizontal, again click on the same one, word art vertical text. It will be in a horizontal. Next one is align text. Here you can align it in left side, center side, right, justify, letter justify, stretch, etc. Next one is word art style. In the first option, what we did is here we have changed the word, but the art remains the same. But in word art style, here we can change the art, but word remains same. You can select any one of the words. I want this one, I want this one. So whichever you want, you can select it. Then shape fill option is there. Here you can fill the colors for the shapes. So whichever color you want, you can select it here. Then if I want to give a outline for the shape, you can select the outline border. Here it gives a slight border for that particular word. Then one is change shape. Here we can change the shape styles. So whichever you want, you can select it. Next one is shadow effect is there. You can insert 3D or 2D. This one is 2D, and this one is here. Here effect option is there. At what side and which side? So you want the shadow, you can select it. Top side, bottom side. Then 3D shadow, 3D effects are available. Wherever you want, you can select it. See. Then next one is position. Position option is used to insert the text as well as image. So I will insert one text here, and other than that I will insert one image clip art. Here already one image is there, and if I want to make it in a different position, here position option is there. Here if I want on the left side, you can select left side, no need to drag. If I want middle, it is in middle. If I want in right side, you can right. If I want in middle of the text, on the time you select this option, say it is available in the middle of the text. So no need to drag, automatically it will get active. This is about the word art. Next one is okay. Next one is drop cap option. Here what happens is, normally if you view the newspaper, I will copy this text in another file. Okay, so this is a text, and if I want to make the first letter in a big size, normally you can view this such type of images in newspapers. So it is called as drop cap option, which drops the capital letter For this one, what you have to do is first we have to select the paragraph, then only this command will get active. Select this option, then click on drop cap. Here three options are there: none, dropped, and in margin. So where you want to drop, you can select. Or here I have dropped the text for 3 lines, and if I want to drop the T for 5 lines, then just click on the last option. It opens a drop cap dialog box. Here dropped option is there. Then lines to drop, for how many lines I have to drop, you can select number of lines here. 5, if I selected 5, so T appears for 5 lines. Next one is that in margin. So same thing, if I want to drop the text in the margin, so dropped option is used in a square shape way. Here you can easily view the image here. So remaining lines appear below that text, and if I selected in margin, here the alphabet will be in the margin side and remaining text on the right side. So this is nothing but the drop cap option, which automatically drops the first alphabet. Okay. Next one is a signature line. If I want to insert the digital signature, you can easily view the image. So add signature services, add Microsoft Office signature. So some of the documents, for some documents, if I want the digital signature on that time, you can create your own signature with the help of Microsoft Office. They will give a beautiful signature for your name. For this one, we have to legally give some of the documents to Microsoft Office. When we upload, then only this option is available. Next one is date and time. Already this option is available in header and footer toolbar. If I, other than that, if I want to insert today date and time, you just click on date and time option. Date and time dialog box will appear. Here different formats are available. So today date is 25/11/2020. Same way I can write today's date in Wednesday 25 to 20, 25 bar 11 bar 20, then 2 to 2020 bar 11 hyphen 25 option is there. Whichever you want, you can select. Along with date, if I want the time, you can select this option, any one of the option. So just click on OK. So it is available here. So date and time option, select it, click on OK. See here, Wednesday 25 November. No need to write today's date, just click on date and time option. Next important feature is object. So here object is nothing but, I will make it as none, then only it will get deactive. Objects are nothing but not inserting any one of the blocks or any one of the images. Insert object means if I want to insert a different application. I am in MS Word, and in MS Word itself, if I want to open Paint, normally if I want to open Paint, what I will do, I will click on this Microsoft Start button, then I will click on all programs, or I will write here Paint option. So automatically Paint option is available, and I can draw here. Here document option is there, and paint option is there. So what I have to do is, I want to open paint in MS Word itself, in working area itself. On that time, go for object. Object option is used to insert any one of the application in the present application. So Word option is there. It opens a dialog box. Here which one you want, you can select. Create new option is there, create from file is there. Create new means if I want to create a new file, on that time you go for create new option, and create from file. Already if there are some of the documents or some applications are there and I want to display such text in the present application, you go for this one. I will select bitmap image. One more name for paint is bitmap image. I will select bitmap image and click on OK. So paint option is available here. So whichever you want, you can draw. You can insert any colors. So with the help of fill color, you can fill the colors here. You can select the colors here. You can fill it. You can insert any colors for these images. So after this thing, what you can do is that you can just close the MS Paint application. So directly that image is available on the working area. So object option is used not inserting any blocks. It is used to insert any one of the application in the present application. So the object option is available in all the MS Office applications. In MS Word, we can open Paint. In MS Excel, we can open Paint. In MS Word also, we can open MS Excel. Now, the last group is symbols. Here, two options are available, two commands are available. One is equation and one is symbol. If I want to insert the equations on that time, just click on equation drop down button. Here different equations are available: area of circle, binomial theorem, expansion of sum. Different equations are available. If I want to insert quadratic formula, just click here. So that formula available here. Or you can select X and I will make it as Y. So whatever change you want, you can do it. So other than that, it activates a design. Here you can select different options. So whichever you want, you can select things. Greater than is there, less than is there, whichever you want, you can select it. If I don't want, select it and press delete button. Now the last command is symbols. Other than keyboard alphabets or options, you can use different symbols. If I want ohm symbol, say ohm is available. This is called as ohm. And next one is if I want summation symbol, you can insert summation symbol, or it is called as sigma. These are all inbuilts. Then if I want to insert a mu option, this one. Next, if I want the beta. Next, if I want to insert a smiley face, that is also available. So whichever you want, you can select with the help of symbol. Other than that, if I want more symbols, just click on more symbol option. It opens symbols dialog box, which consisting of two tabs, symbols and special characters. You can insert any symbols here, and if I want to insert special characters, you can insert special characters also. So copyright if I want, registered I want, then paragraph I want. So whichever you want, you can select. So if I want to insert this telephone, you can select telephone and click on insert, click on close. So that image is available here. So this completes the first chapter, that is Microsoft Word 1. So in next class we can learn page layout, references and mailings, and in the last chapter review and view tabs. So thank you one and all.